Hello students, welcome to our class. In today's session we will solve exercise number 6.2. Okay, that is from triangles and its properties. So in exercise number 6.2, question number 1 is find the value of unknown exterior angle, angle x in following diagrams. Okay, so here we have given 6 diagrams and we have to find value of unknown exterior angle x. So now see, first diagram is see here we have to find value of unknown exterior angle x. Okay, so here we will use the exterior angle property, that is measure of exterior angle is equal to sum of its interior opposite angles. So here angle x is exterior angle, okay, and angle 50 degree and angle 70 degree are interior opposite angles. Okay, and we know exterior angle property. And what is that property? Measure of exterior angle is equal to sum of measure of its interior opposite angles. Okay, so we know this property. Now see, measure of exterior angle. So here measure of exterior angle is x, okay, is equal to sum of measures of its interior opposite angles. So here 50 degree and 70 degree are interior opposite angles. So 50 degree plus 70 degree, and what it gives 120 degree. Okay, so by using exterior angle property you can find value of unknown exterior angle. Okay, so here value of unknown exterior angle is 120 degree. Okay, now see second diagram. In second diagram this is exterior angle x, okay, and we have given interior opposite angles 65 degree and other is of 45 degree. Okay, so now you can directly write the property measure of exterior angle is equal to sum of measures of its interior opposite angles. Okay, so here measure of exterior angle is x and sum of measures of its interior opposite. So here these two are interior opposite, so its sum gives 65 plus 45 gives you 110 degree. So measure of exterior angle is 110 degree. Okay, so as like this you can find measure of remaining 4 exterior angles. Okay, now question number 2 is find the value of unknown interior angle x in following figures. Okay, now in question number 2 we have to find unknown interior angle. Okay, now let us see. First figure is, so in this question we have given exterior angle also and one of interior opposite angle, and we have to find another interior opposite angle. So here we have to find interior angle x. Here also we use this property measure of exterior angle is equal to sum of measures of its interior opposite angles. Okay, so here see measure of exterior angle. So you know this is exterior angle and its measure is 115 degree. That is equal to sum of measures of its interior opposite angles. So these two are interior opposite angles and its sums gives x plus 50 degree. Now to find x, okay, we can write this equation: x plus 50 degree is equal to 115 degree. Now we find x, so to remove this 50 degree we transpose this 50 degree on RHS, and transposing it gets minus. Okay, so 115 minus 50 degree, and what it gives, 115 minus 50 gives you 65 degree. Okay, so here measure of this interior angle x is 65 degree. Okay, so as like this, using exterior angle property, you can find measure of unknown interior angle x. Okay, so solve remaining 5 examples, means remaining 5 diagrams. In remaining 5 diagrams you can solve unknown exterior angle x by using exterior angle property. Okay, thank you.